Here's a nice coat pocket set. The Admiral Imperial 7 from around 1961. At least that's the date I've been able to find online. I'd say that's probably an upper bound. This might be from 1960. If it weren't for the corrosion on the handle and the little speckles on the front, this thing would be in mint condition. I did have to redo the gold paint on the front here with a little paint marker. But whoever owned it before me took good care of it.
Certified technician will, and that will lead you to the next step, and you can expect that you're going to pay about an hour to get that information, and then you'll have the information. Hooked up. That's why he's not with us right now. My super dog, I was mocked for trying to take Vanderbilt, so I'm going to go with Bill Cubitt in Illinois and home Wisconsin.
All those guys, football guys are great. Basketball players are third because they're hit or miss. They don't even care. And baseball players are...
So as you can hear, the sensitivity and selectivity of the set's pretty good, and it also has a nice speaker. It really does occupy that space there. Most had a smaller round speaker. There was also an Admiral Imperial 8, which had one more transistor. I'm not sure how much better it performed than this. I was able to pick up quite a few stations at night on this set. There aren't too many radios that came in pink, so I'm happy to have this one. Unfortunately, like most American radios, the handle is made out of steel with thin brass or gold plating, and that has been corroded through. Not sure how to really clean this up. If I just use sandpaper on this, it'll just be bare steel and that'll rust again. I guess I just need a new handle. But it's not really visible from the front. You can see the set was made in the USA. It's a little tough to open. I don't think this set was used very much. Of course it's going to fight me while I'm trying to record a video. It's a tight fit. It's model Y2082, which includes the model color. There's two other colors. I forget what they are off the top of my head. It's a chassis 7B2. See a little diagram of the transistors there, and the serial number there. Thankfully, whoever owned this didn't leave batteries in there, so there was no battery corrosion. This set was pretty much dead when I got it. There was no stations to be heard, although you could hear crackling as you turn the volume up and down. The main problem turned out to be this diode here. Took me a little while to get to that, but it turned out that there was a little crack in the diode, and I guess moisture had gotten in and destroyed it. When I undid one lead to test the original diode, the thing just came in half, and the cat whisker in there was pretty much gone. It was just powder. I don't know if you can see the one in the replacement so easily. That's a point contact diode, just like the type that had originally been used. I've got a few in my little parts stockpile. As is typical with Admiral sets, the one transistor there is socketed. the converter transistor. All the others are just soldered in place, and they're all American-made units. They're all RCAs. I also changed the electrolytic capacitors and replaced one of these low-voltage either mica or ceramic capacitors. It was rated at 1 microfarad at 3 volts. Those things don't seem to be very reliable. That thing was very leaky. I just replaced it with an electrolytic capacitor. You can see it right there. It's the one that connects to the volume control. Yeah, so this is just a nice little American-made set. Thanks for watching.